Is this the best chicken roast ever?
It's yummy. It's yummy.
Hi friends, வணக்கம் and welcome to Enie Creation.
Hello everyone and welcome to Enie's Creations.
இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா AngloIndian roast chickenங்க. இது எங்களோட ஃபேமிலி யூனிக் ரெசிபி. இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 10 minutesல செஞ்சிடலாம். ரொம்ப ஈஸி செய்யறதுக்கு. அத பத்தி டீடைலா இந்த ரெசிபியை பத்தி என் வைஃப் கிட்ட கேட்போம்.
So today I'm going to be sharing with you another treasured Anglo-Indian recipe, family favorite of ours, that's been in the family for generations together. It's called the Anglo-Indian chicken roast. It takes about only 10 to 15 minutes to prepare. So come, let's check out the recipe. So hey everyone, so for our chicken roast I've taken a pan like this and I'm just going to add some oil to it. So what I've added here is sunflower oil, about 4 to 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. So this is 2 large onions, thinly sliced. If you're using medium onions, you can use 3 onions. So now we're going to let that saute and nicely fry down. It has to get a bit golden brown. I'm just adding a pinch of salt. This helps the onions to sweat faster. So the amount of chicken that I'm using for this recipe is 450 grams. That is about 1 pound of chicken quarters. So I've taken the chicken pieces like this and I've made some slits on top of it, and this is with the skin on. That's up to your preference. If you want to remove the skin, you can do it. The onions have turned into a beautiful golden brown color. We'll need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder or Kashmiri red chili powder. Quarter of a teaspoon of sugar, just a little bit, that much. Now let's add in these cored chicken quarters. And now we will coat the chicken with the fried onion masala. So now I'm going to add some water. This is about half a cup of water. And lastly, I'm going to add some salt. Now let's place the lid and cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes or until well done. So after about 5 minutes, I have just flipped the chicken over so that it will cook evenly on both the sides. So looks like the chicken is cooked fully. So we're just going to reduce this a little bit more. So we want it a little bit more drier because it is a chicken roast. So our Anglo-Indian chicken roast is now ready.
It's yummy.
In little Enie's words, this is a yummy chicken roast, and if you guys did like this video, please do like, share it around, and also don't forget to subscribe for more awesome recipes and videos, and also drop in your comments below. Thanks for watching.